Welcome to AccentCompose installation video. Unzip the installation program and run the setup program. Select the keyboard layouts you plan to use. Please note that you can rerun the installer and add new layouts at any time. Read carefully the instructions before proceeding. This ends the first part of the installation. To start the final stage of the installation, click on the AccentCompose icon on your desktop. It takes you to the AccentCompose folder, where you have documentation and links to the keyboard layout program installers you chose in the previous step. The documentation includes the AccentCompose cheat sheet. There are keyboard layout diagrams like this German layout. The AccentCompose file is an editable text file that can be changed to suit special preferences. Now let's install a keyboard layout, in this case for the French language. After the installation, log out of Windows and log in again. Then go to Language Settings and change the default input method. You can set up hotkeys for input languages by selecting a key sequence. Or you can use the input indicator. To use it, check that it is on in taskbar settings, turn system icons on or off, input indicator. Now you can change input language from the taskbar. Read the user manual for further details and tips on the use of the AccentCompose system. Thanks for watching.